Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Welcome, happy Halloween on this very spooky, holy cow. There's a zombie. Get down, bad zombie. Bad zombie. Sorry guys. We had a great question on our Pillow Talk with the Mattress King Facebook page asking what the difference is between memory foam and hybrid. And I'm going to answer that question today. So, the best thing about hybrid is it is two of an inner spring and a memory foam mattress in one. That's why we call it a hybrid. It's the best of both worlds. So with a standard memory foam mattress we have, I'm exampling a support foam, and then this is your comfort foam. And if you were to open up this cover here and then take off the fire cover, you would see something similar to this. You have a lot of comfort on top and a big block of high dense foam for support on the bottom. Tried and true, works very well, sells like hotcakes. The newest technology out there is we combine memory foam, the best comfort of memory foam, and the best support of inner spring. This, if you've seen other videos, this is what's called a pocket coil. Our hybrid mattresses all have pocketed coils and then the best memory foam in the business on top. So if you can see, it gives you individualized support. So when you carry the most weight in your midsection and you go down here, you're still getting great support, and this the pocketed coil is actually pushing back and giving you more individualized support through the night and all that great stuff. So that's the biggest difference between hybrid. If it were me, I'd go to hybrid because it's the best of both technologies put in one. But memory foam is a tried and true formula, and it sells very well, and customers seem to love it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Halloween. I said bad zombie. See you guys.